the shark come where you are back off go. To shoot the... Tell you about shark, brother. First thing you go there, you go clear yourself. First thing you say shark, brother, you clear yourself. Can't get someone now. You know when you shot. You know when you shot that tail from the animal jaw that... Check God. But what you tell us, Iron Man, and you call me, tell me say shark. All I need to do, you know what I make sure I do, clear the card from me, set myself. And I protect, because you can send on to me and look.
And the guard, and I come back. Like, swim up on me, no peeps. You swim up on me, turbo fish them you want to eat. So I have to juke him, and I juke him and swim up. So I know come back, but the circle fast.
This is the shark one, this.
You see, that's you want the big boy.
My people. Now I go jump in the water. And from when I jump in the water, we don't know the outcome of that, my people. So what do you think I will go on, my people? Yeah man, want to know? Comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think I will go on. And this dive, my people. Right, me say, I just go jump in the water. Barra, we're in a problem, we're in a trouble. So this morning I'm there with the gretel. Yeah man. Want to go over and check out Iron Man
Spearfishing adventure, you know? So everybody just jump over there, check out Iron Man Spearfishing adventure.
Yeah man. So yes my people, I'm here Iron Man there this morning. We can go let him go up on the bank this morning and Twinny same way. You know from Twinny jump in the water. Him just swim. 6 hours. 3 fish. Alright, so we are jumping and as my people, they no 3 light out yet, but we are go out there early. We want to catch the early one them. Them say early worm catch the most bird. That I go on this morning, my people. So you know when we forward back, people, that shark there should have good on this morning. Him should have good on.
Iron Man should have iron him.
Yeah man, him should have good on like one old building. So he should have good on this morning, my people. But I make an attempt, my people, and I never succeed. Yeah. Because, you know, I never successful on the attempt, my people, so I fail. But at least I try. So yeah man. Oi! Me blame you, you know. Me blame you. You know me blame you? You are rush the fish, man. Look how the fish are come across. So full of fish. So lie down in the fish and tame, you know. But people watch you fly down for the fish. We don't rush the fish them too much, man. No rush them so they spill up. And make them lie down, them all lie down. Or they settle. We
You don't rush fish them too much, brother. Stop rush fish them. A barracuda season, you know? You don't need to rush them, so brother. Oh! Paralyzing, pretty paralyzing! Oh! Why deserve a kiss? God. I have a shark a couple yards back off go to shoot me. I'm going to tell you, from the about shot, brother. First thing you go there, you go clear yourself. First thing you say shot, brother, you clear yourself. Because that's how I know. You know when you shot, you know when you shot that tail prone the animal jaw that. Chuck God. But what you tell us, Iron Man, and you call me, tell me, say shark. All I need to do, you know, so me make sure I do, clear the card from me, set myself. And I protect, because you start saying that to me, I look. Look what I want me people, remember me promise something, you know. So when we jump in the ocean, bar them come out. Yeah man, you told them further with the people when we jump in them jump out. Look what go on. 21 this my people. I'ma find 4. Me look out at the one I want to suckle, you know, my people, a small one. You know? Lovely catch today. I remember, you know, me did tell you, you know, me and Twinny Iron Man. Yo!
What's going on? Look, shark run up on me today. I have to joke him off. See what I like.
The people, Iron Man afraid of the shark. Afraid of the shark. I'm going to joke my people.
You joke him and him gone down the line. So I say gone. He gone and they circle back. Like swim up on me, you know, peeps. He swim up on me. Turbo fish them in one. So I have to joke him. When I joke him, he swim off. So I know him come back, but he circle fast.
This is the shark one. This.
You see it? That's you want it. You want the big boy.
Big boy. Big old little boy. Mad.
Fresh one from the ocean.
Mad,
Fresh from the ocean.
Fresh from the ocean.
Yeah, man, you jump in with the vibe, you jump in with the machete.
What you mean, man? Don't know in a skinny big time, you know. Say, don't know in operation I go on, you know. Say, see, after the boss don't bring them in, yeah, we get them clean. That me I tell you. I'm out. And remember, you know, like and subscribe. Guys, remember, hit the notification bell. Odane Spearfishing Lifestyle. I'm out.
Yes, my people, and as you know, see, it's a lovely day for swimming on the beach. The ocean is so calm and flat. Well, pan calm. So yes, my people, remember, me make a promise, and now fulfill the promise, guys. Yeah, man, me never make a promise and don't fulfill it. Yeah, man, so when you see the catch, 25, well, 25 2, you find a nice 11 pounder, nice 2 pounder, you find a nice 14 pounder, a nice 6 pounder, nice 8 pounder, and the next one we are going 13, well, I don't remember, but I think a 13, 113, 114, and 1716. So we are going to operation now. We are cleaning up with people and you know we go. See if we can make a sail on the beach. Yeah, man. Surviving from the ocean. You know? Living from the ocean. Welcome in the life of a fisherman. Doing a bingo.
Yeah, peeps, you know, say shark run up on turbo Odane string. And I tell you, say I have a jukey shark. When I jukey shark swim go down the line and circle back. By the time he circle turbo, reach back, Odane reach back right. So Odane it have to end up spearing. Right? My car did tie up, so I couldn't even get to give him a shot. You have to run for them, trust me, you have to run. Because me car them ram up around me, wall around me, full of cars. So I have to swim back, see so. See there? Swim, clear myself. Clear.
Oh. Yeah. Twinny slice up in barracuda go make a sail in idea, yeah. Today Monday, you know, today Twinny lucky day. Barra me people. Yeah. See it? So we are going to cut them up now. We just cut them in 2 my people then can fit in an igloo. And I bring them and go put on my fridge. Yeah. Twinny bingo.